This insect can hide in plain sight so well that it may look more like a twig than a living animal. Welcome to the hidden world of one of nature's most remarkable masters of camouflage, the stick insect. It is a world where patience is a superpower, and looking like a plant is the key to survival. Stick insects are a group of insects known for their incredible ability to disappear into their surroundings. Most species live among the leaves, shrubs, and trees of forests and gardens across the globe. They come in many shapes and sizes, but they all share one incredible goal: to be nearly invisible to the untrained eye. A stick insect's journey begins as a tiny egg, which often looks exactly like a simple plant seed. By looking like seeds, the eggs are often ignored by animals that might otherwise eat them. When it hatches, the young insect is called a nymph, a smaller, simpler version of the adult it will become. Even at this early stage, its slender shape and green or brown color provide instant protection from predators. This tiny creature is already a master of its craft, using instinct to hide before it even knows why. As the nymph grows, it must go through a series of transformations known as molting, which is shedding its hard outer layer, or exoskeleton, so its body has room to expand and grow larger. This transformation happens several times throughout its life, with each stage bringing it closer to its final form. It is a delicate time where the insect must stay perfectly still while its new armor becomes strong. Sometimes they even eat their old skin to recycle the nutrients and leave no trace for predators. The stick insect's body design is a true masterpiece of natural engineering and artistic camouflage. Its long, narrow body and stick-like legs allow it to hold still for hours, mimicking the branches around it. This is the essence of camouflage, the use of colors and shapes to blend perfectly into the environment. Every joint and every texture on its body serves the purpose of making it look like part of the plant. Even the segments of its abdomen are shaped to match the knots and bumps found on real wood. Camouflage is not just about color. It is about the way the light hits the body and the shadows it casts. In the safety of the foliage, they lead a quiet life, hidden from the bustling world around them. By holding their bodies at specific angles, they can trick the eyes of even the most observant birds. Some species go even further, developing patterns that look like lichen or fungus growing on their skin. By moving slowly and carefully, they avoid attracting the attention of predators who hunt by sight. Their feeding is gentle and slow, often leaving behind a pattern that looks like natural wear and tear. Most species are herbivores, which means they eat only plants, feeding slowly on leaves and stems. They are often very selective about what they eat, preferring certain types of leaves that match their camouflage. They also drink dew from the leaves, staying hydrated without ever having to leave the safety of the trees. Stick insects are deeply connected to their environment, responding to changes in light and wind. They can sense even the slightest movement in the air, or a change in the texture of the branch beneath them. When they feel a threat, they might tuck their legs in, becoming a single, unbreakable line that looks just like a twig. While they don't speak, they can communicate through touch and subtle chemical signals. In the real world, insect communication is completely invisible. When stick insects send chemical signals, like pheromones, they aren't releasing puffs of smoke or mist. They are emitting odorless, microscopic gas molecules, navigating their world entirely through an invisible language of scent. Stillness is not just rest, it is a vital survival strategy. It is the heart of their defense. When they are still, their metabolism slows down, allowing them to wait for the perfect time to move. When they do move, many species sway gently back and forth, mimicking a twig blowing in the wind. This swaying breaks up their silhouette, making it even harder for predators to realize they are alive. Their movement is always purposeful, moving from one safe spot to another with careful calculation. In a forest filled with sharp eyes looking for a meal, speed is a death sentence. Instead, survival belongs to the silent. Let's observe how a stick insect's movement is almost too gentle to notice. It moves in slow motion, matching the exact rhythm of the tree branches around it, completely erasing its presence from the world. They pause for minutes at a time, becoming part of a landscape once more, forgotten by the world. Imagine if you could blend so perfectly into a room that no one could see you unless you moved. For the stick insect, this is a daily reality. Stillness becomes a form of protection that needs no armor. While humans find it hard to be still, the stick insect finds it as natural as breathing. It is their way of being. Their exoskeleton provides support and protection, acting like a lightweight suit of armor for their soft interior. Their camouflage is a combination of color, texture, and behavior working in perfect evolutionary harmony. They also have incredible gripping power, allowing them to hang upside down with ease for very long periods. Special pads and claws on their feet allow them to walk on almost any surface, even upside down on smooth leaves. Over millions of years, stick insects have evolved these specialized traits to survive in a world filled with predators. Every detail, from the length of their legs to their choice of habitat, is a result of long-term successful adaptation. They have seen the world change around them, while they remained masters of staying exactly the same. There is a surprising variety among stick insects, with thousands of different species found worldwide. Some are short and stocky, while others can grow to be over a foot long, among the longest insects on Earth. While most are brown or green, some species use bright colors to warn that they might taste very bad. Some have even developed small wings that look like dried leaves, adding another layer to their disguise. One of their abilities is the plant mimicry sway, which masks their movement from onlookers. Some can even play dead or drop from a branch if they feel they have been discovered by a hunter. They are always aware of their surroundings, using their senses to detect any sign of a nearby predator. A slight vibration in the branch can be enough to make them freeze instantly, becoming a stick once more. This constant state of readiness is what allows them to survive in a world filled with eyes looking for a meal. As the light fades, many stick insects become more active, moving deeper into the foliage to find food. Changes in temperature and humidity also play a role in their daily rhythms and their overall growth. Their eyes are designed to detect movement and light, helping them navigate their complex, twiggy world. However, they rely heavily on their antennae to feel their way through the dark and textured forest. Every sense is tuned to the small, quiet details of the plants they call their permanent home. Stick insects are an important part of the ecosystem, serving as a vital food source for many other animals. They remind us that survival in nature is not always about speed or strength. Sometimes it's about patience. By eating plants and being eaten themselves, they are a small but essential link in the ancient chain of life. Humans have long been fascinated by these living sticks, finding beauty in their strange and clever design. They inspire us to look closer at the world around us and to appreciate the small wonders we often miss. In the quiet corners of our world, the stick insect continues its ancient and beautiful dance of invisibility. And once you start noticing them, you realize how much is happening in the hidden world around you. See you soon. There's always more to discover in the quiet places where nature hides its best secrets.